Welcome. Today, we'll be going through some questions related to Notepad. Question 1. Which option should be clicked to save an existing Notepad window? The choices are A. Edit, B. Save, C. Format, and D. None of these. The correct answer is B. Save. Question 2. Which menu in Notepad contains only the word wrap and font options? The options are A. Format, B. Insert, C. Title, and D. Edit. The correct answer is A. Format. Question 3. What should you click to open a previously saved file in Notepad? Your choices are A. Open, B. New, C. Exit, and D. Save as. The correct answer is A. Open. Question 4. Which shortcut key is used to open a saved file in Notepad? The options are A. Ctrl+O, B. Ctrl+N, C. Ctrl+S, and D. Ctrl+C. The correct answer is A. Ctrl+O. Question 5. Which shortcut key is used to open a new file in Notepad? Your choices are A. Ctrl+O, B. Ctrl+N, C. Ctrl+S, and D. Ctrl+C. The correct answer is B. Ctrl+N. Question 6. Which shortcut key is used to save a file in Notepad? The options are A. Ctrl+O, B. Ctrl+N, C. Ctrl+S, and D. Ctrl+C. The correct answer is C. Ctrl+S. Question 7. Which shortcut key is used to print a document in Notepad? The options are A. Ctrl+O, B. Ctrl+N, C. Ctrl+S, and D. Ctrl+P. The correct answer is D. Ctrl+P. Question 8. In Notepad, if page orientations are horizontal, what orientation is it? The options are A. Landscape, B. Portrait, C. Both, and D. None of these. The correct answer is A. Landscape. Question 9. In Notepad, if page orientations are vertical, what orientation is it? The options are A. Landscape, B. Portrait, C. Both, and D. None of these. The correct answer is B. Portrait. Question 10. Which shortcut key is used to go to a specific line in Notepad? The options are A. Ctrl+F, B. Ctrl+H, C. Ctrl+C, and D. Ctrl+G. The correct answer is D. Ctrl+G. Question 11. If a sentence is flowing off the screen in Notepad, which option is likely not active? The options are A. Word wrap, B. Orientation, C. Alignment, and D. All of these. The correct answer is A. Word wrap. Question 12. How many tabs are available in Notepad? The options are A2, B3, C4, and D5. The correct answer is D5. Question 13. Which shortcut key is used for the Find Next function in Notepad? The options are A. F1B, F2C, F3, and D. F5. The correct answer is C. F3. Question 14. Which shortcut key is used for the Replace function in Notepad? The options are A. Ctrl+R, B. Ctrl+D, C. Ctrl+H, and D. Ctrl+C. The correct answer is C. Ctrl+H. Question 15. Which of the following commands are available in the Format tab? The options are A. Font, B. Word wrap, C. Both A and B, and D. None of these. The correct answer is C. A and B both. Question 16. What is the zooming scale range in Notepad? The options are A. 100, B. 200, C. 300, and D. Zooming scale option is not available in Notepad. The correct answer is D. Zooming scale option is not available in Notepad. Question 17. Which shortcut key is used to select the entire document in Notepad? The options are A. Ctrl+A, B. Ctrl+B, C. Ctrl+C, and D. Ctrl+D. The correct answer is A. Ctrl+A. Question 18. Which shortcut key is used to cut text from one place and paste it to another place? The options are A. Ctrl+A, B. Ctrl+B, C. Ctrl+C, and D. Ctrl+X. The correct answer is D. Ctrl+X. Question 19. Which shortcut key is used to undo a work in Notepad? The options are A. Ctrl+A, B. Ctrl+Z, C. Ctrl+C, and D Ctrl+X. The correct answer is B Ctrl+Z. Question 20. What will happen if word wrap is not enabled in NotePad? The options are A. Typing of letters will not be possible, B. Making letters capital, C. Letters will be typed in a single line until the Enter key is pressed, and D. all of these. The correct answer is C. Letters will be typed in a single line till Enter key is pressed. Question 21. What is the extension of the file with which a NotePad document is saved? The options are A. TXT, B. PMD, C. XML, and D. Doc. The correct answer is A. TXT. Question 22. What is NotePad? The options are A. Text editing software, B. Hardware, C. Computer virus, and D. Monitor. The correct answer is A. Text editing software. Question 23. What are portrait and landscape in NotePad? The options are A. Page orientation, B. Page size, C. Font name, and D. all of these. The correct answer is A. Page orientation. Question 24. Which of the following applications do we use for website code writing? The options are A. WordPad, B. NotePad, C. MS Word, and D. PowerPoint. The correct answer is D. PowerPoint. Question 25. Which one of the following should be clicked to save the existing NotePad window? The choices are A. Edit, B. Save, C. Format, and D. none of these. The correct answer is B. Save. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.